So I have first question for you. Like, what do you want to become in your life? What do you want to become in your life? What's your dream goal?
Nothing.
Nothing. Really?
Yes.
Is it a really very
I
straightforward
I
answer?
have no dream.
You have no dreams. Is there any reason behind it? You have no dream.
I does not decide.
Okay, you haven't decided yet. Otherwise, do you want to become something in your life or not?
Yes.
You want to become. You haven't decided. Don't say nothing directly. Okay. So, what is the one lesson that you have learned from your parents?
Oh, what is
What is one lesson that you have learned from your parents?
what is the one? Speak truth always.
Speak truth. Do you ever speak lie?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. It means you don't follow your parents.
No. It's sometime I tell lie.
It is important to tell lies sometimes.
Yes.
What is something you are proud of?
What is?
Something you are proud of. You think like, I'm proud of this thing. That I have achieved this thing or I have this thing in my life.
I proud my lovely family.
Lovely family. So, what does your family do for you?
They do many things for me, like study, study
They are
to
educating
do,
me.
educating me, and they do many things for me.
Hmm.
They fulfill my all wishes and other things that need me to study, and in other like games and
Do you ever feel stressed in your life due to study?
no,
You never feel stressed due to study.
no,
How many hours do you study?
2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours. Do you think is it sufficient to study only 2 to 3 hours?
I study 10th in 10th class 2 to 3 hours, but now I not study at this time.
If you were the Prime Minister of India, what would you do first thing for India? If you were the Prime Minister of India, what is the first thing would you do for India?
I do to make a good in make good and I can make best India. I can do my best to make India's best in the world. In the world,
Okay. If Jinn appears here suddenly right now, what are the three wishes you would ask for?
is the
If the Jinn appears suddenly right now, what are the three wishes you would ask for? चिराग सुना वो घिसते हैं जिन निकल के आए. So what are the three wishes you would
to
ask
speak confidently English.
for? And second,
Second, best
only one. No car, Mustang, no house.
No.
Is it your dream right now, current goal, just to speak fluently?
Yes.
Okay, would you like to be famous in your life?
Would you like?
Would you like to be famous? कि लोग आपको जाने, आपका इतना नाम हो?
No.
No. Why do you say most of the time no to everything?
Because I does not have any interest in these things.
Okay. So what's your interest? What's your core interest like you love to do?
Games, computers,
James.
and
So do you play PUBG, Free Fire,
नहीं
BGMI? No?
You-
Pokemon? Candy Crush?
हाँ कैंडी क्रश
You
खेलता था
play Candy Crush. So what level are you right now?
डिलीट कर दी.
You have deleted. So you are not playing that.
Yes.
So do you have any dream in your life that you want to do something in your life? Any fun activity? Any adventurous thing you want to do in your life?
Go into the other country,
Like, can you please name any country?
like
Pakistan?
Japan.
Japan. Japan, why? Like he also said Japan.
Because they have very different things to see. They have very different culture
Okay.
to learn.
So that is your dream to visit Japan.
Yes.
But I will suggest you not to visit Japan. You will become less interested in life because these people do not take interest in life and you don't take interest as well.
Okay.
So you will be affected by that country. Well, clap.